it's Renee Starms here. You know what my top 3 marketing tools are that I actually go to all of the time? They're just my quick go-to, get it done tools. The first one is Canva, because I always like to give a more polished look to my blog post, so you can pretty much change anything around and make it look nice and clean and polished. So that's what I like to use. It's canva.com. And I love Messenger because you can reach people right away, and there's some really cool third-party platforms that you can connect to Messenger so that you can send people through a funnel without them having to do anything else, without having to them provide any other information to you. And the other one is Zoom. Now I can't live without Zoom. And it's amazing how cool all the features are for absolutely free. It's a great way to connect with your clients and potential clients as well, and just do all types of meetings. You can record them, and you could send so much information through this particular platform while you're in a meeting with your potential client or with your client. So go ahead and check out these tools. I've also wrote a blog post about them, and let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.